Hello, everyone. It is great to see you guys. Can everybody hear me? And can everybody see me?
Sí.
Yes?
Oui.
Okay, then. Very well. So let's start with our meeting then. I hope that everyone is doing just fine and getting ready for this year's Christmas. Due to the given circumstances, we're having our annual pre-Christmas meeting here via Teams call from our beautiful home offices. So, Switzerland, how is it going so far? Marcus, tell me, are the transportation units already scheduled and are the transportation vehicles prepared?
I must say I had some challenges and I had to improvise a bit. Swiss style.
Okay, and how?
Due to the current travel ban, we don't have any reindeers here. The pragmatist that I am, I already prepared our cows. This is Katana. She even understands Swiss German.
Oh, I see. And that works?
Yes, they already know the terrain, and if they get lost, they have their cowbells.
Perfect, thank you. And oh, is it snowing in Lugano?
No, mamma mia, it's la farina, it's everywhere. I have to prepare 12,500 panettone in my kitchen. At next year, we have to automate these processes with the power apps.
Yes, absolutely. I find this a good New Year's resolution. Claire, you look quite relaxed.
Excusez-moi. Yes, I'm perfectly prepared for this year's Christmas. The packaging process is already underway and we're well on schedule, thanks to the Power Platform.
I see, good. And how's that fondue and wine? Ladina, how's the wish list management going so far?
Great! All the data is sorted according to topic, clearly filed and prepared in different tables to be sent out.
I'm glad to hear that, and nice tree. I hope this isn't our sorted data.
No, of course not. I stored all the data in the Azure cloud. There it's safe. This is only decoration.
Oh, perfect. I think sometimes it's good, after all, to have a Teams call instead of all these different emails. As I see, Team Switzerland is handling all the challenges very well. I'm proud of you. Keep up the good work, and let's stay positive. I now give you back 5 minutes. I wish you Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.
Merry Christmas!
Merry Christmas!
Merry Christmas!